Welcome to this learning video session. Today's topic is surveillance and effective field monitoring of refinery process units. A refinery unit, it is primary distillation unit or secondary distillation unit or petrochemical unit, whatever it is. Plant surveillance and field monitoring is very essential. Different units handle different types of hydrocarbons with less flash point, fire point and auto ignition temperature. The aim of this video is to make an awareness about the surveillance and effective monitoring of refinery process unit. These are the items to be monitored in a unit: pumps, compressors, heaters, columns, vessels, reactors, pipelines and instrumentation items, works, safety and firefighting equipments, and reactors, temperature, pressure, level. Pumps, these are the routine checkings. First about bearing. Bearing lube oil condition. If any contamination of oil, that means milky or cloudy or less transparency, means some water contamination. Please identify that condition. Any color change in oil, that may be black or gray color, means bearing damage or bearing cage damage. Level in the bearing house or chicken feeder, that to be monitored. Any visible leakage from bearing house temperature to be monitored. Bearing house vibration and flincher ring loose. Any actual movement of shaft. Bearing cooling water conditions, flow and leakage, etc. These are the checkpoints regarding motor. Any abnormal sound or vibration of motor. Lube system of motor, if any, its flow, oil level. Motor fan guard conditions. Motor running direction. Motor terminal box condition. Terminal box, any temperature raise, please note that. And waterproofing condition, cable glanding conditions. Motor bearing temperature, rotor temperature and stator temperature. It available for some high tension motors. Motor space heater terminal condition. Motor amperage compared with the full load current. Earthing of motor, push button station condition. These are the checkpoints regarding coupling of pump. Condition of coupling guard to be checked. Any abnormal sound from coupling. Any vibration. Any other visible damages. These are some checkpoints related to mechanical seal of pumps. Inner seal leak, that is inboard or outboard inner seal leak. Outer seal leak, inboard and outboard. Seal port oil level, oil or any fluid. Seal port oil contamination. Seal port any pressure increase or decrease. Seal cooler condition, any leak or low flow of cooling water, temperature raise, and TSV conditions. Any seal dripping through seal. Any abnormal sound at mechanical seal area. Any vibration. Any color change on seal. And seal flushing lines leak, flow low or temperature, abnormal temperature. These are the Other checkpoints on pumps. Pumps discharge pressure. Hunting means any fluctuation. That means starvation or cavitation. Note the suction pressure. If pressure gauge is available, note the suction pressure. Feel any starvation if any sound pressure gauge hunting or motor amperage hunting, and discharge flow low. Pump any body leak or flange leak. Pump vent or drain valve condition. Running pumps vent and drain to be closed condition. And pump basement cleanness. And pump jacket water condition. Pedestal cooling water condition of pump. And the spare pump condition. Spare pump, if the pump is hot service, spare pump must be in warmed up condition. Spare pumps, oil, cooling water, etc. to be checked. Suction, discharge block valve, gland leak, if any bonnet flange conditions. Next, heater, refinery heater routine checking. Ensure the heater tube coil flow, coil inlet pressure, firing fuel oil pressure or temperature, atomizing steam and fuel oil differential pressure, pilot gas pressure, fuel gas pressure, fuel gas firing pressure, pilot availability in the burner. If any low pressure gas flame arrestor, its DP to be monitored. Flame height, color, brightness and shape. Any flame impingement on tube. Any oil dripping from burners. Any oil or gas block valves, gland leaks. Heater tube condition, any color change, support damage, vibration of jumbo wires, any. Heater coil inlet and outlet flange leak, if any. And soot blower availability of heater. Heater stack damper conditions. Heater bottom refractory damage, refractory bulging, bottom body bulging. Heater arch area refractory damage, if any. Caulking on oil or gas burners. Heater tube support or retainer damages. Heater body, any red hot or paint damage due to overheat. Any refractory damage. Flame lift off, that means high draft, high fuel gas pressure or atomizing steam fuel oil delta P is more. Burner tip damages, flue gas or combustion air leakages through burner plenum chamber, any skin temperature rise, any arch temperature rise or arch pressure high, stack temperature high or low, fuel oil or gas leaks, if any incomplete combustion, that means some black smoke through stack, more excess air, that over bright flame or any white smoke on stack, intermittent flame or flame height is more, reported promptly. Condensate in atomizing steam, visibly there will be one sparkling flame in burner. Condensate in fuel gas, hot spot on tubes, if any, to be reported. Flue gas leaks through air ducts. Check fuel oil pressure, temperature, flow and steam tracing. Ensure atomizing steam pressure and condensate free. Any air leaks, open doors or bolt joints, and oxygen level in stack normally 2 to 3% is normal. SO2, NOx, SPM readings, suspended particulate matter readings, draft and arch pressure heater, combustion air damper opening, combustion air pressure, individual burner valve opening, individual burner air damper opening, burner tile conditions, individual burner air damper opening, burner tile conditions, flue gas temperature at air preheater inlet and outlet, induced draft fan suction temperature. If any fluid coupling is there, its loading of the motor, VFD RPM indication, induced draft and forced draft fan load, motor or fan bearing temperature, oil level and color, heater coil jump over supports, coil outlet supports outside heater, igniter working conditions, leakage of ID and FD and ducts if any, ID and FD inlet outlet damper opening condition, soot blower poppet valve opening, its closing or passing if any, soot blower shaft condition after soot blowing, retracted or not, and heater coil outlet temperature. It is very important. And box purging steam, any passing or anything, peephole damages, glass damages, rope damages, etc. Fuel gas or hot well gas knockout drum levels, fuel gas, fuel oil control valve or shutdown valve status, its opening, gland leaks, and shutdown valve, solenoid valve condition, fuel header pressure control valve opening, fuel oil heater steam or condensate flow and its temperature, oil leakage through oil guns, any abnormal fuel gas or flue gas smell near heater, leakage through shut-off blinds, acid corroded spots on the body, on the heater body, explosion door opening condition, it's to be closed condition, and any insulation damage on air ducts, heater body red hot or any bulging, velocity steam dryness, any abnormal vibration of coils due to velocity steam, heater transfer line flange and column nozzle flange if leak or any smoking, and stack hood damage if any, and watch for anything abnormal and report it promptly and try to correct it. These are some checkpoints on exchangers. Any abnormal sound or vibration through exchangers, inlet outlet block valve gland or flange leak if any, shell cover leak or channel head leak or cover flange leak any, vent bleeder dummy condition, closed blowdown and oil water sewer drain valve conditions, flushing oil line blind condition, OWS drain line blind, any insulation damage or oil soaked insulation, cooler cooling water flow temperature and if any line hammering to be reported, cooling water outlet thermal safety valve condition. These are some checkpoints related to column vessels. Any flange leak or connected lines leak or vessel leak, telltale hole leak, level transmitter or level gauge comparison, level switch standpipe level gauge leak, any insulation damage or oil soaked insulation, local temperature or and pressure readings, accumulators or hydrocarbon and boot levels, pressure safety valve condition, chemical injection lines condition, abnormal smell or fumes, line hammering. These are some checkpoints related to pipelines and other items. Any flange leak, valve gland leak, any insulation damage, fire, oil spillage, valve passing, and good housekeeping, communication system availability inside the process unit, proper lighting, proper access to each equipment, electrical or instrumentation cable tray condition, gas monitor, gas detector, firefighting facilities availability, closed blowdown or slope availability. Find abnormal thing if any to be reported and to be corrected. Some other special attention points. For any non-routine works going inside the unit, any hot work, job safety plan and work permit must. Any bulk draining from process unit, any violation of work permit system to be monitored, and any working at height going on care must be taken. Any lift operation, fire water line repair, availability of manual call points, availability of surveillance cameras if available. Ensure works with valid permit only by authorized person. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.